Hi, welcome to 3Mac. Do you want to learn about computational design, advanced manufacturing, materials modeling, or integrity assessment? Then this is the channel for you. Here you only learn what you really want to learn. I regularly upload new contents including subscribers requests, so please hit the subscribe button below for regular updates. So who am I? I am an academic, a researcher, an engineer, and a passionate cricketer with over 20 years of broad sector experience across higher education institutions, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, and renewable industries. I have published over 80 articles and book chapters in international journals and proceedings. I have taught students from all over the world, and then I came up with the idea of sharing my knowledge and ongoing learning with the community. 3Mac started almost 1 year ago and has achieved a lot since then, made courses available to the community on FEA, a number of videos on engineering concepts, quizzes, FEA tutorials, and videos on scientific talks to make everyone aware about recent developments in the area of computational solid mechanics. Provided one-to-one support to over half a K students, researchers, and engineers. Channel has grown tremendously with over 0.65K subscribers and over 20,000 views. This all is possible due to the 3Mac community, so a big thank you to you all. Please keep subscribing and sharing 3Mac to help moving my mission forward.